In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Canva Content Planner, schedule and publish with Canva. First, head to the Canva homepage. On the left-hand menu, look for Content Planner. If you don't see it there, open the Apps section and search for Content Planner. This opens a clean calendar view where each day is a clickable cell, so you can quickly see your posting schedule at a glance. To schedule a post, click on any date that fits your plan. Then hit the plus sign that appears. This tells Canva you are creating a new slot on that day and gets you ready to build your content for that time. Next, choose what you want to post. You can start a brand, new design, pick from Canva's templates, or use an existing project. Templates are great if you are short on time. Existing projects work well when you've already built your brand visuals. Keep your destination in mind: square posts for feeds, vertical for stories or reels, so your design fits the platform without awkward cropping. Once your design is open and ready, move to the top right and click Share. From the menu, select Schedule. Canva will ask which linked social media channel or channels you want to use. Choose where this post should be published. If you haven't linked an account yet, Canva will guide you through that connection so it's ready for next time. Now finalize the details. Add your caption in the text field, including any relevant hashtags or mentions. Select the exact publication date and time that best suits your audience. Pay attention to the time zone shown so your post goes out when you expect. If you are posting to multiple channels, make sure the content and format make sense for each destination. When everything looks good, click Schedule. Canva will queue it up and place it on your calendar. That's the core workflow. Open the Content Planner. Pick a date, create or select your design. Choose Schedule from Share, pick your channels, write your caption, set the timing, and confirm. You'll see your scheduled post appear on the calendar, which makes it easy to visualize your week or month at a glance. For planning ahead, use the calendar to map launches, holidays, and recurring themes. Hovering over a date lets you quickly review what's queued, and opening a scheduled item shows you the design and details at a glance. Naming your designs clearly and using brand kits for colors and fonts will speed this up over time and keep everything consistent across channels. Remember, the Content Planner follows your Canva account's time zone. If you collaborate across regions, confirm the timing so teammates see the same schedule. Thanks for watching.